Hi everyone, my name is Kiran. Welcome back to Cloud Pathshala channel. And today we are going to discuss about multi-hub communication. Multi-hub communication, guys. What exactly multi-hub? And before going to, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon whenever new video release it, and you will get the notification. And if you like my videos, please like and comment below. So definitely it's very helpful to me, and it's a very encouraging to me. And please share with your friends who are looking is a Azure related more technically. This is a real time scenarios, guys. What I'm creating this most of the videos, 99%. Some of the videos it's kind of related to how to learn yourself and everything. Those videos also is available, and interview preparation related also is available, guys. Now coming to multi-hub communication. What exactly multi-hub communication? So let me um, kind of create a diagram. So I will explain it first of all. After that, you can get the more idea what I'm saying, guys. So for that, I'm opening the MS Paint. Okay. So this is a hub network. This is another hub. Generally, we know it's a hub network means it's a spoke networks. Like this is you can take it any region also. Like suppose in this scenario, I taken the West US. Okay, so no problem. West US. This is the West US. This is the Europe region, West Europe. Europe region, guys. And generally, spoke means hub and spoke means like this communication. This is the one. This is the one. And it's obviously like by default, this spoke one to spoke two, it won't able to communicate it. Like example, one and two, and in this also one and two. Or might be I will take it three and four for you, our better understanding purpose, three and four. Okay. And here, obviously, by default, even its hub network is available and it won't able to communicate it, guys. So for that reason, what we are going to use it? Firewall. So here, firewall will generally use it, guys. So here also, firewall. This is a secure hub and spoke topology, guys. Secure hub and spoke topology. Okay, great. So now it's a secure hub and network topology is available. But how is the traffic will flow to from spoke in this? It's this one means generally route table will associate the on the subnet level, guys. Generally route tables I can mention, or same like here subnet route table. This is also route table, and this is also route table. What will define it? Any traffic generated should go to the firewall. After that, it's a reach to any destination. Same like here also, any traffic generated from this and should go to the firewall. After that, only reach out to over the internet or on premises or any other spoke network also. This is a way firewall helpful to communicate to the other spoke network. Okay. So this is a up to, this is a one clear. Now coming to I want, my customer, one of the real time. This is I'm talking about real time, guys. So my customer have this type of hub and spoke different regions. Now my customer wants to communicate. These two hub two needs to be communicated. That means spoke one to spoke four to spoke two, and spoke three to spoke two, spoke three to spoke one. Like that, it's a entirely required the communication. Entire required communication. Okay, very simple. People will say is you can create a peering between this hub to hub. Okay, is it work? This is also hub. Is it work? No, guys, it won't work at all. If you do the only peering, it won't work at all. So additionally, what we have to do it? So additionally, we have to, in the firewall subnet, generally when is creating the firewall, there is a firewall subnet. On the firewall subnet, we need to associate the route table. Here also, we need to associate the route table. What we need to define it here in the route table, if it is any traffic is generated, okay, it should go to the over the internet. That means first of all, 0.0.0.0/0, it should go to the internet. We are defining. That is a basic fundamental route table rule. We should create it, guys. Otherwise, route table, we can't associate the firewall. Firewall subnet level, we can't associate. This rule is a must and should, guys. After that, rule is what we have to do it. In this network range, total network range, any traffic generated in this, if it is a coming to, this is a one needs to be communicate this one, any traffic, this range of, suppose I'm taking this is a 192.168.0.0 something like /16 entire this hub and spoke. This is a one, suppose I'm taking 10.0.0./16 if I'm taking totally this hub. Okay, this hub and totally this entire range. So any traffic is generated, firewall reach to 192.168.0.16 should go to this firewall IP address. This firewall, some private IP address. That firewall IP address, we need to define it, guys. That firewall IP address, we need to define it. How we'll define it? In the virtual appliance, we need to define this firewall IP address. Same like here also, this is the same applicable 0.0.0/0 internet. Additionally, we need to define it in case of 10.0.0.0/16. If it is a generate the traffic in the firewall, it's a receive the any traffic related to this network range should go to this firewall. This firewall IP address, we need to define it. That means here, like example, 10.0.0.4. Here in this firewall IP address, it will come around 192.168.0.4. This is a totally needs to be do it, guys, so that it will able to communicate each other. This is a multi-hub. This is a one region of hub. This is another region of hub. And these two hubs also can able to communicate. That means not only hub is a spoke 1 to spoke 3, spoke 1 to spoke 4, spoke 2 to spoke 3, spoke 2 to spoke 4. Even vice versa. 4 to 2, 4 to 1, 3 to 2, 3 to 1, like that also it will communicate, guys. And now one more question generally will get it. Okay, so if I have a on-prem gateway, generally any traffic firewall after that is going to gateway. Yes, you can create one more route table in this firewall's route table. You can define it. Any on-prem network range, any on-prem network range should go to this gateway, should go to this gateway. Like that, you can define that accordingly based on that IP address range wise, it will go to the gateway, and after that it will communicate it. That way, totally we can able to achieve it, guys. This is a totally real-time scenario. I'm saying that, guys. So this is one of the kind of challenge, we received it for our, things, and we achieved like this. Okay. Coming to, so practically, can you show me? Yes, I already did it, guys. I can show you here. And you can observe here. So I create a Europe hub network, Europe spoke network. And same like West US hub network, West US spoke. You can observe here, Europe, West US, like that. So even if you go to the Europe hub network and go to the peerings, and you can observe here, and from Europe hub to spoke, that means Europe related spoke. But this is a one West US to Europe. This is a West US to Europe is a created. You can see here, click on this one, and it's a route the traffic to that West Europe. That is a way is a peering happen. Same like other side also, hub network, you can look into that. Might be it's not showing. Yes, refresh, and you can see here. West US to spoke to hub, and Europe to West US. Like that is a create the peering. The peering part you cleared now. And next, subnet level. So if you go to the subnet level, and firewall have firewalls route table I mentioned. You can see here firewall subnet level. Firewall subnet level, I define the firewall, and it's a I mentioned clearly any traffic should go to the internet. But if it is this network range, west, I think this is a Europe. Yes, Europe related. This network range traffic should go to the Europe firewall. Europe firewall. Virtual appliance means firewall. And same like Europe hub network, if you go to and subnet level, and same like check it, and any traffic should go to the internet. But if it is a this network West US related traffic should go to the West US firewall. That is the way I define it. Okay, good. Even if you go to the West US spoke, what I mentioned route table is a mention because of this West US should go to the West US firewall only. I don't want is a go to that one. Yes, in this spoke, in this hub network firewall should go to the first of all. So that way, that is the first of all West US firewall it will go. Same like here also Europe spoke, and you can check it subnet and Europe, and same like Europe firewall only. Any traffic should go to the Europe firewall only initially. That way is the define it, guys. So is it really communicating? So you shown is these are the things, but is how to validate it, testing. The testing purpose, I deploy the in the spoke network, and it's a firewall if it is available. I don't have VPN and everything. Due to that constraint, and what I did it, this is a NAT rules I created. I will show you that firewall NAT rules also. Better, I will show you initially only. So go to the firewalls, Europe firewall and West US firewall. So if you go to the firewall, Europe firewall and the firewall and the DNAT rule, I define it. This is a I want communicated this virtual machine. This using this public IP address. So same like West US firewall also, DNAT rule is a created, guys, for accessing the that particular virtual machine. And you can see here, and same virtual machine IP address, I define it. So same thing, you can see here, this is the two virtual machines I created, and initially without peering, obviously it won't work at all. And initially without route table, it won't work at all. After that, it's pinging each other 192.168.3.4, 10.1.0.4. Initially, this is a IP network range. It's a you want check it. You can see here 192.168.3.4. Here, this is a one IP config, and this is a 10.1.0.4. So you want to test it 10 ping 192.168.3.4, and same like here also ping 10.1.0.4. It's a pinging. It's working fine. Even you want tested is a MSCST. So not only ping, I want test the RDB with the private IP address. Yes, 10.1.0.4. Now you can see, guys, I'm getting the RDB. That's the reason I can able to see enter the credentials. So I hope is clear to everyone. If you still have a question, let me know. Even one more thing, this is a Microsoft documentation also is available. but as a somewhat, some of the points is a not mentioned in this subnet level. There is no route table, there is no route table, there is no route tables like that. And it's a firewall subnet level route tables is available, but it's a little bit is unclear in point of so in my point of view. And it's a we should it's a, this is a one, this way communication will happen. In this, how it will communicate? Route table is important. Route table is important. In terms of my knowledge, my experience, it's a route table is important and should go to the like this only, via firewall only. Okay. So this is a totally, even this is a documentation article URL. I will provide it in the description. You can walk through, you can try to understand. If you want, you can do the practically. Okay, I did it practically. I shown is the results also. You can see here totally. So I hope it's this video likes you. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and as well as click on bell icon, and please share with your friends. Please encourage me. Thank you, guys.